work on vintage British motorcycles from the 60s and 70s. Triumphs mainly from the 60s. It's kind of what we would consider the best years of the Triumph. My name is Elliot. We're at my motorcycle shop here. We're called Hangar 23. In terms of running a shop, you know, I've never ran a shop before or anything like that. I'm just a kid, really. But Tink kind of, you know, keeps us in check.
Yeah, this is all used to be Triumph Classic motorcycles, and now it's Hangar 23.
Jack's one of my best friends from high school, and he comes and helps out, goes to the races, works on his bike, whatever needs to be done, really. Over here, we've got motorcycles, bikes, all that. We're kind of moving some stuff around, but these are all parts, covers, all that sort of stuff. This is my workstation here. Customer's bike per unit Triumph, just getting it going for them. This is Tink here. Tink's been with the shop for a while before I was here. Teaches us how to work on these bikes. He's got a lot of knowledge on them, so he helps pass it down to us. My name is Elliot Delapré. Come by and check us out anytime. Yeah, thank you.